Elixir can be a game changer for your well-being.
Extra virgin olive oil isn't just a staple of Mediterranean cuisine, it's a nutritional powerhouse. But why raw? And why high quality? Let's break it down.
First up, heart health. Studies show that raw extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols. These compounds help reduce bad cholesterol and improve overall cardiovascular function. High-quality olive oil in particular retains these beneficial properties because it's minimally processed. Did you know that your brain loves olive oil too? Raw extra virgin olive oil contains antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a major factor in cognitive decline. Daily consumption has been linked to improved memory and even a reduced risk of Alzheimer's.
Next, digestion. High-quality raw olive oil stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helping your body absorb nutrients more effectively. It's like giving your gut a little helping hand every day.
And let's not forget beauty from within. The antioxidants and vitamin E in raw extra virgin olive oil promote healthier, glowing skin and stronger hair. It's natural self-care bottled up. Now, here's the critical part: quality. High-quality extra virgin olive oil is cold-pressed, meaning it's extracted without heat or chemicals. This preserves its nutrients and ensures you're getting the full spectrum of benefits. Refined oils, on the other hand, are often stripped of these healthful compounds. So how can you make sure you're choosing the best? Look for terms like cold-pressed, first pressing, and extra virgin. Check the harvest date and always opt for dark glass bottles to protect the oil from light. Incorporating raw, high-quality extra virgin olive oil into your daily routine is simple, delicious, and incredibly rewarding. Whether you're drizzling it on salads, dipping fresh bread, or enjoying a spoonful straight, your body will thank you. Ready to take the leap? Let us know in the comments how you plan to incorporate raw extra virgin olive oil into your daily life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. See you next time.